So bringing it back to 12 o'clock, the two things that it serves to reinforce is, number one, with the motif and the passing of time comes the inevitability of one's mortality, right? Because with each passage of time, we're brought closer and closer to the ticking of our lives, the movement towards our death. The second thing is time is the only location of meaning, of stability and meaning within the poem. Amongst the chaos and the decay of the urban landscape, time at least offers some sense of certainty.